Here we are on the Bavaria 44 in Berkshire, Portsmouth. I'll just take you through to the four-peak cabin. Give you a quick look around. Spin you around, looking aft. We've got another set of cabins on the starboard side, heads on the port side. Spin you around, let you see the cabin. Twin bunk. Spinning the background, looking forwards towards the forepeak and into the first heads. Looking nice and sparkly clean. And I'll take you towards the saloon and galley. Lots of space to prepare food. Drinks. Looking aft towards the port and starboard cabin with the engine open, towards the chart table, spinning around towards the saloon table, back looking forwards, spinning around the front of the galley again and into the aft heads, which are on the port side. Again, nice and clean. Just show you the aft cabins. Very spacious, lots of space to store clothes in the wardrobe. I'll just show you the engine. Very nice and clean. And into the starboard aft cabin. Mirror image of the port. Engine access either side of the aft cabins. And then we have the chart table. Nice comfy padded seat. Switch panel. And the nav arrangement. And looking towards the centre of the boat.